Welcome back. So the votes are in, and the winner by two whole votes was science fiction. So science fiction subject is the next project, and I had the wife go into my stash and randomly choose, and what we've got now is the Babylon 5 Mark I Starfury. So, had this kit for a while. It'll be probably a pretty quick build, be fun to put together. So let's take a look at what we got. First off, lovely box art. This is a good, I like this. This is a good sci-fi series. I really enjoy watching this. Well, let's go ahead and see what we got inside here. Alright, here's our instructions, all nice and clear cut, fairly easy to follow. So there we go, not too bad at all. Oh, we got some nice painting guides here. Wonder which one we're going to do. We'll have to decide. Yeah, we got the presidential escorts, one version, second version. We got a Black Omega. We got the Sea Witch, and we got Ivanova's ship, and then we got a standard. So we'll have to decide which one we're going to do. That'll be fun. All right, so there's the instructions. Our decals. So we got the Ivanova, the Sea Witch, the Omega, and the Presidential. We'll decide which one of those we're going to use. So, decals all look fairly nice. We even got a little face. I don't know if you can see that or not. A little tiny face for the pilot's faceplate. So, that's cute. Let's see. A while ago, when I first got this, I ordered online some replacement guns that are more accurate to the ship. Here's the model guns, or the kit guns. And there is the replacements. You can see the difference between the two right there. So one's just slightly more screen accurate, that's all. And we'll be using those. Those just came with some basic information. And these are from Starship Modeler, which is, you know, if you're a sci-fi modeling fan and you do not go to Starship Modeler, you are missing out. That is a great little website. I love it. Their forums are great. The people are fun. So we'll just tuck that back in there. But the replacement, these 4 pieces replace the inaccurate items that are supplied in here. So basically they give you the assembly instructions and all that. So we'll just tuck those over there. And we'll look at the kit pieces themselves. So pretty clean, really. Like I said, I got this a while ago, so this might be a very early rendering or production model. But there's almost no flash. The detail is really nice. The panel lines are raised, they're not recessed. So that's one thing I don't care about, but we'll figure it out later. I would prefer recessed because those will take an ink wash a little better. The engines look nice. So, got a little base there. Looks like there are two clear pieces here. I'm not sure what this little one here is. And then we got the cockpit, which that is pretty clear. So yeah, not much distortion. Very nice and clear cockpit. So that's nice. I like that. And then some more detail on the engine deck is really nice. The flare wings. The cockpit has got some decent detail in it. And then, of course, we got our little pilot guy here. So yeah, this looks like a pretty straightforward kit. Not too much to really go crazy with. I don't know, I'm gonna debate this. I might light it, I might not. I've still got some stuff left over from my lighting. I've still got some lighting stuff left, so I could light it up. I mean, I just have to light the engines and I don't know, we'll think about it. But that's what we got so far. Yeah. Other than that, we are good to go. Our next video, we will be working on the new project and get ready to get started and see what we can do with this. So, until next time, as always, thank you for joining me. Like and share my video. Subscribe to the page so you don't miss anything. Hit that little bell icon. You know, appreciate it. Oh, and you can follow me on Facebook if you want as well. Links are in the description. Other than that, I hope you all have a great day, and hope you had a happy 4th of July. And have a great 4th of July weekend, and I will see you next time. Until then, as always, keep building. Have a great day.